Good morning, guys. So today we'll talk about the Pinacolic rearrangement. So the overall is of the reaction is like starting from a penol which is like a G all like this. Well, in presence of acidic conditions, under acidic conditions, in presence of H3O plus or H plus ions, so we end up forming a ketone. Okay, so let's just try together this example. Well, I start drawing my penol, right? One, R2, R3, and 4. Okay. Well, so in presence of H plus. So first of all, the first thing we need to do is to grab a proton, is to grab a hydrogen from this ion. Then we end up forming, this molecule. Sorry. Oops, not this one. Well, as you all know, this one is a good leaving group, okay? So what we can do right now, it is going to leave because we are in acidic conditions. It is going to leave alone. Like we don't have to attack this carbon to make this water molecule leave, okay? So let me continue this way. So we have to write the molecule again, to draw it, sorry. 1 or 2, 3, and R4. So we have a positive charge on the carbon, okay? So what are we going to do? We are going to take one of the alkyl group that we have here and we do alkyl shift, okay? So that's what we also call a rearrangement. So here we are going to form this one, this molecule, sorry. Well, we have 3, okay? So we have R2, the one that came from the other carbon, and we have R3 and R4. So here we have OH, and we still have R1 with a positive charge here, okay? So now in presence of a water molecule, so we can attack here. So with the lone pair of the oxygen is going to attack this carbon, okay? So we attack this carbon and then sorry, no, not this one, sorry. The first thing we need to do is we are going to form a ketone, okay? So let me just think about the mechanism. Like we are going to grab this hydrogen, okay? So we form an alkylate, an alkoxide, sorry. So R1, let me just erase this one. Okay, so we form O minus, and we still have R3 and R4, okay? So here, we still have the positive charge on this carbon, okay? So I'm gonna draw it again. And so what we are going to do, we are going to form our ketone like this. And we can say that we have, it is the same molecule that I'm going to draw here, okay? So like this, R2, 3, and 4, okay? So here we have a ketone with R1. So as you can see, we don't now we started from 2 alcohol, and now we end up forming like this one, for example, R2. We have to add it here. We delete this alcohol, and this alcohol is going to be a ketone. Okay, so this is what we just made here. So let me just try to write another example. So for example, we have an oxygen, sorry, an OH. So this is our penal. Okay, so we have 2-methyl group here. So under acidic conditions, we can like we can form this molecule just like we, we just try to draw the molecule again. So in so I take this one, I need to add an oxygen. Okay, so this one is going to be a ketone, and this one besides the oxygen is going to be transferred here, rearranged here. Okay, so in this alcohol I delete it, so I will have 2 like this. Okay, these 2 this way, methyl groups. Okay, well, let me try another one. Another one is going to be this one. It's a bit complicated, but it's not. Well, OH and here OH. Okay, so we have H plus here. So what we're going to do, let me just try to write the mechanism. It's going to be more easy. So this one is going to attack the hydrogen, so it's going to leave. Okay, so so it leaves. So here we have nothing, we have a positive charge. So this positive charge is going to be attacked by like something here, like, sorry, substituent. So it's going to be attacked by this one. Okay, so this carbon that holds OH, it has this one and this one. So we use this, the red bond, to attack here. Okay, so so we are going to form this. Okay, this part. Okay, is this one, and we form 1, 2, 3. So I am here, and I still have this one and this one. So it's going to be this one, sorry, and this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here I will have to add a ketone. Okay, so we had an OH, we have to add a ketone. Sorry, not here, here. Okay, so, well, this is the molecule that we need to draw. Okay,